Hey guys, it's crypto coin investor. What a day it has been. Anyway, we are still here and let's take a look at the Bitcoin price. And oh my god, what a week. And yesterday, it went from nearly $8,000 to 3,866 on Bitstamp. So it actually did its halvening. So is Bitcoin dead? This is what we are going to answer in this video. At least I will try. So let's talk scientifically and let's take a look at the charts. So this is the daily chart of the Bitcoin and we had a huge drop. However, let's take a look at the weekly. This is the weekly chart, okay? And God, it does look ugly. And this is mainly due to the COVID-19 coronavirus. That's the culprit behind it. So this is a 21-week moving average and it has acted as support during the bull run. You can see that here. It likes to stick to the 21 moving average when it is going up. And it has done so in the past as well. There have been times where it went below the 21-week moving average. During the bull run, yes, it did so. But then by the end of the week, it did manage to close above the 21-week moving average. Here, it had some hard times, but more or less, it tries to hug the 21-day moving average. Whenever we have gone below the 21-day moving average, that has marked the start of the bear season. This is how it looks right now. And if we change the moving average to 200-day, now what is 200-day moving average? The 200-day moving average has always acted as a support. The Bitcoin has always honored, or it has always remained above the 200-day moving average. But there have been times in the past when we have actually breached the 200-day moving average and we have still managed to close above it after some time. And it has happened in the past as well. Here you saw in the 2018 we went below the 200-day moving average. And by the way guys, 200-day moving average is what supports the Bitcoin. It is a major support of Bitcoin. If you breach it, well, the recession starts in the Bitcoin world. Right now the week has not ended, and I say even if we are slightly below the 200 moving average and we are able to recover in the next week or so, because here as well it took us 2 weeks to actually close above the 200-day moving average. So if we are able to recover in the next week or so, I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. People are losing their heads like it's the end of crypto or whatever. Look guys, I keep looking for these signals on the social media networks like Twitter and Facebook, like, yeah, the Bitcoin is now finally going to zero, the miners will not be profitable, they will shut down the mining equipment and all hell will break loose. Look, Bitcoin is not going anywhere. It is the digital gold, if you like it or not, even if it has dropped so much. It is the way to get full financial freedom away from the government and stuff. So Bitcoin went to $3,800, but at the 200-day moving average, which is the major support, and I too am going to buy some Bitcoins probably next week. So we are not that far from closing above the 200-day moving average, and it is like Friday right now. So we have till 18 March to close above the 200-day moving average, and even if we are not able to do so, probably next week we will be able to do close above the 200-day moving average. That said, it will definitely be interesting to see how the Bitcoin reacts to the market conditions in the next few weeks, because the COVID-19 is here and it will take some time to get the vaccine out. It's not end of the world. If you can take decent precautions, you will be totally fine. And it can take some time for Bitcoin to actually start the bull market, and the halving is also coming, so that can also trigger the increase in Bitcoin price. If you have hodled so far, well, it's not a financial advice, but if you have hodled so far, don't sell your Bitcoin, because we'll probably recover this time as well, just like we have done so over the past 10 years or so. So hope you found this video useful. I'm still optimistic on Bitcoin, even though this does not look good. I'm still very optimistic on Bitcoin. So as long we are above the 200-day moving average, I'm all good. I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. We are oversold on so many levels that once we recover, we are going to have huge gains in all the altcoin and Bitcoin markets. Hope you found this video useful. Give it a like and share with your friends if they're too scared to buy Bitcoin right now. I think it's a great time to buy Bitcoin. So give this video a like and stay subscribed for more cryptocurrency, price analysis, and ICO reviews and news. Bye bye.